Introducing the Window Anti-Fogging Waterproof Spray, a game-changing solution designed to keep your windows clear and water-resistant, even in the most challenging conditions. This isn't just any spray. It's a versatile and innovative formula crafted to enhance visibility and protect your windows from fogging and water damage. Say goodbye to obscured views and water streaks and welcome the Window Anti-Fogging Waterproof Spray into your life, because seeing clearly should be as simple as a spray away. This anti-fogging spray isn't just a window treatment. It's a visibility superhero for your glass surfaces. With its advanced formula, it creates a protective barrier on your windows, preventing fogging caused by temperature changes or humidity. No more waiting for your windows to clear up or dealing with obstructed views. The Window Anti-Fogging Waterproof Spray is here to provide clear sight, even in the foggiest situations. It's not just a spray, it's a window clarity champion. But let's talk about practicality. This isn't just any glass treatment, it's a time-saving marvel. Its waterproofing feature ensures that water beads off your windows, minimizing streaks and water damage. The Window Anti-Fogging Waterproof Spray is easy to apply, leaving your windows with a lasting protective layer. It's like having your personal window maintenance assistant. Efficient, convenient, and always ready when you need it. And versatility, unmatched. Whether you're applying it to your car windows, bathroom mirrors, or household glass surfaces, the Window Anti-Fogging Waterproof Spray adapts to your needs. It's not just a spray, it's a multi-purpose solution that enhances the longevity and visibility of your glass surfaces. But wait, there's more. This spray isn't just about practicality. It's about clarity. With its streak-free formula, the Window Anti-Fogging Waterproof Spray ensures that your windows remain crystal clear, providing an unobstructed view in any weather. It's not just a spray, it's a vision enhancement for your glass surfaces. Picture this, you enjoying a clear view through your car windshield even in the midst of winter, or stepping out of a steamy shower to a fog-free bathroom mirror, all thanks to the Window Anti-Fogging Waterproof Spray. It's not just about window maintenance, it's about turning your glass surfaces into a vision-friendly zone. Your clear views are not just a wish, they're a well-maintained reality with the Window Anti-Fogging Waterproof Spray.